Do you ever wake up, look in the mirror, and see someone who looks exhausted, even after a full night's sleep? Those puffy bags under your eyes can be incredibly frustrating. They make you look older, more tired than you feel, and can seriously impact your confidence. You've probably tried everything: expensive eye creams, cold spoons, cucumber slices, but the puffiness just keeps coming back. Why? Because most of these quick fixes only scratch the surface. The real causes of under-eye bags are often hidden in our daily habits and even our health. Think about it. First impressions are made in just 7 seconds. When you meet someone new, puffy eyes can unintentionally make you seem less energetic, less approachable, and maybe even less trustworthy. This perception can follow you into the workplace, affecting how colleagues and superiors see you. It's not just about what others think. It's about how you feel about yourself. When you don't like what you see in the mirror, it can take a toll on your mental well-being and how you carry yourself throughout the day. So what's really going on under there? The skin beneath our eyes is the thinnest on our entire body, only about 0.5 millimeter thick. It's incredibly delicate. As we age, our bodies naturally produce less collagen and elastin, the proteins that keep our skin firm and plump. Without that strong support system, the fatty tissue that normally cushions our eyes starts to droop and shift downward, creating that puffy, bag-like appearance. It's a natural part of aging, but certain lifestyle factors can speed up the process dramatically. One of the biggest culprits is something most of us love: salt. A high-salt diet causes your body to retain fluid, and because the skin under your eyes is so thin, that's one of the first places the swelling shows up. Have you ever noticed how puffy your eyes get after crying? That's because tears are salty. Eating a bag of chips or a processed meal can have a very similar effect. Most of us are consuming nearly double the recommended daily amount of sodium without even realizing it, hidden in everything from bread and sauces to so-called healthy snacks. This constant fluid retention puts a strain on the delicate under-eye area, leading to chronic puffiness. Another major trigger is allergies. When you're exposed to allergens like pollen, dust, or pet dander, your body releases histamines. This triggers an inflammatory response that causes blood vessels to swell and leak fluid, which then pools under your eyes. To make matters worse, itchy eyes from allergies lead to rubbing. When you rub your eyes, you're breaking tiny, fragile blood vessels, which increases swelling and can even lead to dark circles. So your seasonal allergies might be the hidden reason your eye bags won't go away. Sometimes persistent eye bags can be more than just a cosmetic issue. They can be your body's way of sending a signal that something else is going on internally. Conditions related to the thyroid, kidneys, or even the liver can manifest as puffiness in the face, especially around the eyes. If your eye bags appear suddenly and are accompanied by other symptoms, it's always a good idea to consult a doctor to rule out any underlying health concerns. Your face can be a window to your overall health. So, now that we understand the causes, what can we actually do about it? The good news is, you don't need to spend a fortune on miracle creams. The most effective solutions are natural, simple, and target the root of the problem. Let's start with the foundation: cutting back on salt. This is non-negotiable. Begin reading food labels and become aware of the hidden sodium in processed foods. Instead of salt, season your food with herbs, spices, a squeeze of lemon, or use light salt alternatives. You'll be amazed at how quickly you see a difference not just in your eyes, but in your overall well-being. For more immediate relief from puffiness, cold compresses are your best friend. The cold constricts blood vessels, which helps to reduce swelling and inflammation. You don't need fancy equipment. A clean washcloth soaked in cold water will do. For an extra boost, try using chilled green tea bags. Green tea is packed with antioxidants, particularly one called EGCG, which has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Just steep 2 tea bags, let them cool completely in the fridge, and then place them over your closed eyes for about 15 minutes. Chamomile tea bags work wonders too, as chamomile is known for its calming effects on irritated skin. Another simple trick is to keep 2 metal spoons in the freezer. The cold metal molds perfectly to the contour of your eye socket, providing instant cooling relief. And for a quick tightening effect, a spritz of pure rose water can help reduce puffiness temporarily. If you suspect allergies are the cause, addressing them is key. Keep your living space clean to reduce dust and dander. Wash your bedding frequently in hot water, use an air purifier, and keep windows closed during high pollen seasons. If natural remedies aren't enough, an over-the-counter antihistamine might help, but it's best to talk to a doctor to find the right solution for you. Remember, no rubbing. Your sleeping position also plays a surprisingly large role. When you sleep completely flat, fluid can easily pool in your face. By simply elevating your head with an extra pillow, you allow gravity to help drain that fluid away from your eyes overnight. You can even slightly raise the head of your entire bed for a more comfortable and effective solution. But perhaps the most powerful and effective natural remedy of all is hydration. It sounds counterintuitive if your body is retaining water. Why would you drink more? Here's why. When you're dehydrated, your body panics and holds onto every last drop of water it has, leading to bloating and puffiness. By drinking enough water, typically 6 to 8 glasses a day, you send a signal to your body that it's safe to release that excess fluid. To make your water even more effective, try adding a slice of lemon or cucumber. They not only add flavor but also help your body flush out excess sodium more efficiently. So before you reach for another expensive under-eye cream that promises the world, remember this: your eye bags are often a message. They're your body's way of telling you to pay attention to your diet, your sleep, your hydration, and your overall health. By making these simple, natural lifestyle changes, you're not just treating the puffiness. You're investing in your long-term health and well-being. You have the power to look and feel your best, starting from the inside out. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living a healthier, more vibrant life. We'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments, and share.